Hi, this is Saloni Verma and I'm working in Chetu as a software developer from last 2 years. And it was a great time in Chetu working with different clients. Like after completing my graduation, I joined Skill Center, and there I learned different technology, and after that completing my training like approx 3 months, then I got a chance to work with Chetu and got promoted as a team member, and then got a chance to work with different clients on different projects, and it was a great time. Then after working with different clients and projects, I also got promoted to senior team member, and now I'm working as a senior team member in Chetu. It's going amazing in here because I have a supportive team that guided, and we discuss on projects, we shared thoughts, and it was a fun experience in Chetu. I'm feeling amazing because it was always my dream to be a software developer. And Chetu gave me that opportunity to be a software developer and work with different global clients. That also increases my confidence and also enhances my communication skills. In Chetu, we have a Chetu Foundation that work for free education to kids and basic facilities to the underprivileged communities. It was a great experience so far in Chetu, and if you are looking for new opportunities, so Chetu is a great place to work with. Thank you.